Hello friends, welcome. This is a question from 2013 question paper and it was for 2 marks. The question is the pressure, temperature and velocity of air in the air flowing in the pipe are 5 bars, 500 Kelvin, 50 meter per second respectively. The specific heats of air at constant pressure and constant volume are 1.005 kilojoule per kg Kelvin and 0.718 kilojoule per kg Kelvin respectively. Neglect potential energies if the pressure and temperature of the surroundings are 1 bar and 300 Kelvin respectively. The available energy in kilojoule per kg of the air stream is. These are the options. Now here friends, we have from the question here, this is P1, this is T1 and here it is V1 specific heats, and we have here this is Cp and here this is Cv, and here we have ambient characteristics, that is here we have TPO is 1 bar and TO is equal to 300 Kelvin. So friends, here now available energy is given as available energy in this case given as is equal to H1 minus HO in by minus TO into bracket S1 minus SO plus V1 square upon 2 minus VO square upon 2. So friends, here H1 minus HO we can calculate as calculated as Cp into bracket T1 minus TO, and S1 minus SO we can calculate from S1 minus SO is equal to Cp ln T1 upon TO minus R ln P1 upon PO. This is the equation from S1 minus SO, that is change in entropy. So we will find out this change in entropy. So here S1 minus SO. Now let's put the value in this equation. So here friends, Cp we have 1.005 into ln T1 we have here 500 Kelvin divided by TO, that is 300 Kelvin. So minus R we have here R is given as 0.287 is the value of the R. This is a constant value for R characteristic gas this is the value of characteristic gas constant, so which is equal to 0.287. so here ln P1 we have here 5 bar upon 1 bar. So friends, after calculating this equation we will get S1 minus SO, that is change in entropy, is equal to 0.05147 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So now friends, here let's put the values in the our available energy equation. So friends, here available energy is equal to Cp we have here 1.005 into we have T1 minus TO, that is here 500 minus 300 minus here now TO we have here 300 Kelvin, 300 into bracket S1 minus SO, which here we have S1 minus SO is 0.05147 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Okay, now next we have here plus this V1 this value, this term here VO square upon 2 is 0 here, So now here friends we have only left with v1 square, that is which is equal to 50 square upon 2, and we need to convert this into kilo format. So we will multiply, divide it by 1000, so here it is 2000 to convert in kilojoule per kg Kelvin quantity. So here friends, after calculating this whole equation, we will get available energy is equal to 186.8 kilojoule per kg. This is the answer for this question. So nearest answer to this, answer in the given options is here 187 kilojoule per kg. So friends, answer for this question is the available energy is 187 kilojoule per kg. Thank you.